door open.
What you got? What is it?
School bus.
School bus stickers? Awesome. Thanks, Santa.
Oh, boy.
My God, you got so many.
I want to open these.
Okay, you do it. You gonna help your sister too? Can you look at Mommy and smile?
Where is Taylor?
She's right over there.
Taylor, look at my present.
Turn the lights on, Jim.
That's what I'm trying to do.
Oh.
Okay,
Look
kind
at my present.
of bring her stocking over here and you can help her with hers.
Taylor, look at my present.
Oh, she loves it. I bet she wants to eat it. What do you think?
You want to help her with hers?
Uh-oh.
There. That's Taylor's. Okay. Oh. Actually, I have the bumbo seat I can get.
What'd you get? Chocolate.